Hey, Mr. Tim Pearson, this is Alex Marevka at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in the Hyundai Elantra. As you can see, I have an entire row of them here. We got them going all the way around the back of the building, so whichever trim package or color you're looking for, we have here at Tameron, along with America's best warranty. Not only do you get 5 years, 60,000 miles of new car warranty, we double the manufacturer powertrain, which gives you 20 years or 200,000 miles, engine, transmission, drive axles, you name it, it's covered. So give me a call. My name's Alex. The phone number here is 205-380-6250, and I'll help you pick out which one works best for you. Thank you so much for your time.